Exploring the Internet. Who invented the Internet and when? Tim Berners-Lee, an English computer scientist, invented the World Wide Web. Berners-Lee proposed the idea of the World Wide Web in 1989 and created the first website, info.cern.ch in 1990. How the Internet works in simple terms. The Internet works by connecting networks together with the routers and switches, allowing computer to communicate and access content on remote servers. Here's how it works. First, connecting to the Internet. You connect to the Internet through a router or modem. Second, sending a request. You type a web address into your device which sends a request to your internet service provider. Third, finding the server. Your ISP connects to multiple servers. Fourth, retrieving the page. The server retrieves the request web page and sends it back to your device. Three major milestones in the history of the Internet. First, the creation of ARPANET. In 1969, ARPANET was created as the foundation for the Internet. Second, the adoption of TCP/IP. On January 1, 1983, ARPANET and the Defense Data Network switched to the Transfer Control Protocol or Internet Protocol standard. This allowed different types of computers on different networks to communicate with each other. Third, the launch of AOL. In 1985, AOL, formerly American Online, was launched as online service provider that made the internet accessible to consumers. The internet has changed the way we communicate. The internet is the easier way for people to communicate with each other. It has made the world smaller, bringing people together everywhere and anytime. This invention has important tools for people to contact and it has changed their way of communication in today's busy world. In fact, people are becoming totally dependent on the internet as a way of communication in their daily life, business, and work. The limitation of all communication tools has made the use of internet for communication is wider all over the world. Positive and negative impacts of the internet on society. First, access to information. The internet has made it easier to access information quickly. Second, communication. The internet has improved communication and social interaction. Third, networking. The internet has made it easier to connect with others and network. Fourth, healthcare. The internet has improved access to healthcare. Fifth, entertainment. The internet has provided more entertainment options. Negative impacts. First, misinformation. The internet has contributed to the spread of misinformation and fake news. Second, privacy. The internet has raised privacy concerns. Third, cyberbullying. The internet has led to cyberbullying. Fourth, social isolation. The internet can lead to social isolation. Fifth, mental health. The internet can negatively impact mental health, especially among young people. 6. Technology addiction. The internet can lead to technology addiction. 7. Real-life relationships. Spending too much time online can lead to neglecting real-life relationships.